Welcome to AWebVoice video training series. Today we're going to cover tracking in your system. And tracking can cover just about anything. How popular or how well your opt-in form works, how well your emails are delivered, how many people open those emails. And you can even include links in your emails and track how many people click on those links and where they go from those links. So let's get started. As you can see, we're logged in because up here AWebVoice is listed. We click on that to get into the entry page of the system. And again, we can click on the menu bar up here, tracking, or on the icon for track. Now, this page in the track part of AWebVoice is a little bit different in that here, this is mostly an informational page to get you going and recognizing what you see on the other pages. So for example, here, the link tracking, anytime you see a little graph with an arrow going up, means that item is tracked. You can click on that icon and it will take you directly to the track of that event. So if it was an opt-in form, you click on that icon, it would take you to how many people use that form to request the acceptance and then how many people actually joined the form. And same thing with emails that are sent out. When an email gets sent, is it opened? Does it bounce? How many of those? And how many emails were in fact sent? Okay, so let's go take a look. We are using the account for safetaxhelp.com, and pretty much everything on this page can be tracked. In this case, we're looking at the opt-in form, and you'll see the track icon. And if you look at the opt-in emails, more track icon. But let's stay at the opt-in form because that's what we're going to look at today. If you simply go and click on the tracking icon, and remember this form's name is Tax Help. Yes, I want to view the graph. And the graph is displayed on the screen. Here's a 2-week run for people accepting and entering emails wanting to join that site. You can look at the sign-up people only, and there's the ones that have signed up. You can look at the acceptance ones, and here's the ones that have accepted. And notice that at times people will request to join, and then the acceptance may take a little while before that happens. You can, which will show a blank screen if you display it on 12 minutes because it does not look like anybody in the last 12 minutes has requested to join. You can see what it is over a 2-month period and what it is over a 12-month period as well. So good resolution, gives you a good idea. The 2 weeks tends to be the most popular and is in fact the default. Now each chart displays a little bit different information. If you click on the help icon, it will explain what the graph is depicting. So in this case, for instance, the orange shows how many people used the tax help opt-in form to request acceptance to that site. And then the blue shows how many people, once they got the acceptance email, actually agreed to join and said, yes, I will accept. And what this can do is just show you how successful your form's in. Again, with our system, you can make as many forms as you like. place them on your website, in your newsletters, and let people opt in, and we will track each one of those forms separately from the others, and we'll show how many people come to your site and how many people accept. This is a great way to determine which form is working the best. More of an explanation below here tells you what this graph depicts. And again, we go back to the create and send, and this was for the opt-in form, tax help. You click on the icon for tracking, and the graph will immediately show up. And there you have it for tracking your opt-in forms.